Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to install a tankless water heater and how to make a DIY tankless water heater valve kit. This is our Camplux 12L tankless water heater. On the left, there is a water outlet leading to the house with the hot water. On the right, there is a water inlet coming from the house with a flow valve. The center fitting is the gas cylinder for the natural gas coming from the house. We couldn't find a tankless water heater valve kit in 1/2 inch, so we decided to make our own, mostly made out of 1/2 inch Pro Press fittings. So starting from the top, we have a female pressure adapter leading into a T-fitting, and out the side it's going into a drain valve, and into the bottom it's going into another T-fitting, which is leading to the pressure release valve, which you don't see in the picture, but it is a 3/8 fitting, so we use a 1/2 inch to 3/8 converter and a pressure adapter again to connect the pressure release valve. Just in case, there's ever too much pressure buildup, it just releases some water into the drain. And then the bottom of the T is leading into a union, just in case we ever have to take this whole unit off. We could just separate it here instead of cutting the pipe. On the other side, it's the same thing, just without the pressure release valve and the extra T. This side, which is the cold side, it doesn't need the pressure release valve because it's not the one with the hot steaming water in it. So only the hot side needs the pressure relief valve. Here you can see we already installed the heater onto the wall, and we put our DIY tankless water heater kit on, and you can see the lines coming in. I'll explain a little bit more of that in a second. So here, starting with the cold side, you could see our main valve right here, the yellow one, coming out of the wall. That's our exhaust port. And then this is the outlet into the house with our 2 drains on both sides, and this is our pressure relief valve going into our drain. Then here's the gas line. The valve is right there, and this is our flexible gas line with the natural gas going into the machine. Again, here's a before and after. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have any questions. We would love to answer them.